Hello, this is Lynn with Teelie's Fairy Garden, and today we are introducing Tommy Tinker's Village to you. Now, there's a new book release coming out, Tommy Tinker and the Lost Candy Factory, and I'm going to have all these products for sale. And Tommy Tinker and all of his fairy friends have products. They have party goods, they have leggings, they have mini skirts, they have people clothing for humans. So, without further ado, I am so excited to introduce Tommy Tinker's Village. This is his fairy garden village. We are going to come on over here and we're going to start with Tommy Tinker. Yep, this is Tommy Tinker's house. Now, Tommy Tinker is a tinker in the fairy kingdom, and as you see, his door has little hinges that are wrenches and a little bell and lots of tools. And there's all these tools. Tommy Tinker has got the best tool selection in all of the fairy kingdom. And we're going to come on over here. This is Tommy's workbench. This is where all the magic happens in the fairy kingdom. Tommy can fix anything. Next, we are going to go and visit his friend Ruby the Ribbon Fairy. Now Ruby, she is so very cool. This is her door, scissors for hinges, bows around, and I want to show you what an exquisite wrapper she is. Look at those bows, they're perfect. And actually we can zoom in and we're going to look at how beautiful these bows are. They are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So Ruby is a talented young lady. Then she has a little seating area over here in which she even has more little packages. Absolutely cute. So if you get a package in your fairy garden with the most exquisite bow, you know they come from Ruby the Ribbon Fairy. She even provides balloons with her bows. See the balloons behind there? Absolutely stunning. The next, yes, is one of my very favorite fairies. This is Bubba. Now Bubba is the head candy taster. And Bubba, this is his door. It has taffy on it, and it has suckers and everything down there. Also, he has the best candy selection in all of the fairy kingdom, because he is the head candy taster. Bubba's a little chubby, but he does love his job. And down here we have some exquisite little treats he's made. And we're going to zoom in on it, and we're going to look at how cute this is his head candy tasting table. And he's got little cakes there because Bubba's trying to branch out. And over we have a beautiful, beautiful cake in which Bubba, he's starting to make holiday cakes, little candy cakes. And then over here, he has wonderful, absolutely wonderful candies. And he's made a beautiful fairy cake, absolutely beautiful. This is a fairy kingdom cake, only for the finest, and I believe he made it for the king and queen of the fairy kingdom. Down below, we have little petitfours on this little bench, and you will see them right over there. And right here, we're coming up to the petitfours. Yes, see how cute they are? Absolutely adorable. Another little cake. He keeps sneaking those cakes in. So this is Bubba, the head candy taster. Now we're going to zoom over to King Henry and Queen Olivia. This is their fairy garden. Now this is their door. Their door is exquisite. It has total jewels on it. It's absolutely beautiful. Jewels by the front door. Over here we have a little beautiful little chest, because they go all over the globe in fairy kingdoms, and everyone gives them little jewels. So now we're going to go to their beautiful table. Now this is an exquisite table. This is the finest in all fairy kingdoms all over the globe. There's a crown, and we're going to zoom in on really get some looks at some really cute pieces here. Absolutely beautiful. There's goblets, there's a sword in the stone, there's jewels, there's a Fabergé egg, there's beautiful bars of silver and gold. And then we're going to look at their throne. This is their throne over here. This is a king and queen's throne. Of course, Queen Olivia's is the green one. King Henry has the red one, and they're going to have a little snack here. Then they go over to their lounge. This is where the king and queen relax. They have to have relaxation time. And if you zoom in, you can even see the staff. That's Queen Olivia's staff, King Henry's sword, and they even have a pet frog. This is little Croaky. He's the pet frog of the fairy kingdom. And then you can see more of their jewels to the right over here on their chests. These are gifts from all the fairies from all the different fairy kingdoms. So we are going to also show you some of the fairies that live in this fairy kingdom. Here are the other little fairies that live in the fairy kingdom. And I want you to watch for the book, Tommy Tinker and the Lost Candy Factory, and all the products that come with it. It is going to be so much fun, and learn how Tommy Tinker saved the candy factory. And I will be back with more fun goodies from Tommy Tinker.